Kita magpisik-pisik, saray wa ay na sa mga kwan. Ari na may suro.
Hindi ko na ka. Okay, wala ba ko plano mag-shrimp? O, pila raya?
1/4 lang ana. Tunga ano lang siya.
Ara, sige be. Ato nga. Pila raya?
Tunga.
This is our shrimp. We already strained this. And we're going to put this in the frying pan. This is 1 kilo. And then we have here the calamansi. This is our calamansi. We put magic sarap seasoning here. And mix it well. Then we're going to put this calamansi mixture with magic sarap here in our shrimp. That's it. And mix it well. Ayan na. So, marinate natin tong shrimp. So, ito na guys, yung shrimp na marinate na po ito. So, ilagay na natin dito sa lulutuan. So, it is a traditional way of cooking. Na guys, na pula na. Iso-isoon na. This is some cooking. Cooking shrimps. We use the fuel, the bamboo and the ipil-ipil wood as our fuel in cooking this shrimp. Yes, it's so yummy guys. We will put ketchup. So we put ketchup guys, then we're going to mix this. marinated with calamansi juice and sa naglapuyot na iyang sabaw, nagbutang kita ketchup nga sweet blend ketchup to. So this is it. Yummy. Masarap to guys.